there is a concept of space inside the Cloud Foundry. So let's talk about it. On your screen, you can see the hierarchy of SAP Cloud Platform, then global account, then region, and then sub account. And inside this, we have space. As you can see that we have SAP Cloud Platform, and inside SAP Cloud Platform, we have one global account through which the billing happens. And inside this global account, while creating the sub account, we need to select a region in which we want to host the applications. And inside this, we have space to manage our development environment, quality environment, and production environment. Let's understand this using an example. Suppose you have purchased an ABAP trial service inside SAP Cloud Platform. Now you will map that ABAP trial account to a sub account. And now inside that ABAP trial service, you want to divide that ABAP trial into development, quality, and production system. So using the concept of space, you can achieve this. We will see the concept of space when we will do the hands-on on ABAP trial account in the coming videos.